Double, double, toil and trouble. Today we are going to eat, drink, and be scary in the Bite Me More kitchen as we whip up 2 deliciously devilish Halloween cocktails. Ooh. Okay, so today Lisa is going to remove her resting witch face and make us some delicious cocktails for Halloween. Spooky.
Okay, we are gonna start off with a pumpkin spice Black Russian. So we've filled up our cocktail shaker with ice. And to that, we are going to add 3 ounces of vodka. Are you my shaker?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Whoa.
And 1.5 ounces of Kahlua.
Why did the ghosts go into the bar?
Oh.
For the booze.
That was kind of funny. Put that on nice and tight. Give it a, yeah, tight. Give it a, so just a tip when you are shaking, hold your finger on top there. We have rimmed our cocktail glass with graham crackers and pumpkin pie spice. Pour it in.
Where does a ghost go on vacation?
Where?
Malibu.
You can fill that right up.
Oh yeah, sorry. I got distracted.
And we're gonna top with a little bit of whipped cream and a pinch of pumpkin pie spice.
Wowzer, this looks delicious. Trick and treats.
Cocktail number 2, we have a nice tall highball glass filled with ice.
And what are we making?
We're making a dark and stormy.
Ooh.
We have 2 ounces of dark rum, 1/2 ounce of lime juice. We're gonna add 3 dashes of bitters.
It's about 6 dashes, but
I could feel you counting. You're gonna give that a stir, with your lollipop. I see, okay. And then we're gonna top it up with ginger beer.
Ooh. I can't decide which one I'm gonna drink from because I want them both.
Garnish with some limes. There you have it. Here's our pumpkin spice Black Russian and our dark and stormy. Happy Halloween, you little witch.